Learning goals. Welcome to this learning session on the director, creative control and production responsibilities. In this course, we shall address establishing the production's vision and style, shaping the play's core themes and message, collaborating with design teams, pre-production decisions and script analysis, directing performers, and organizing rehearsals. There will be a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. The director's overall creative control. The director holds ultimate creative control over an entire production, guiding it from its inception to its final performance. This extensive involvement ensures a unified artistic vision across all elements of the show. They are responsible for making crucial decisions about the play's genre, form, and style.
This role extends to auditioning performers, collaborating with designers, and leading rehearsals, all while ensuring every component harmonizes. A director's ability to weave these disparate elements into a consistent and engaging experience is paramount to a production's success. For instance, a director might choose a minimalist set design to emphasize character interactions, influencing every other design choice.
Developing the production's vision. A director must cultivate a strong, cohesive vision for how the production will ultimately appear and feel to the audience. This overarching focus begins during the earliest pre-production stages and remains consistent throughout the entire run of performances. It's not merely about aesthetics, but about conveying the play's essence.
This vision acts as a guiding principle, influencing every subsequent decision, from casting choices to the smallest prop detail. For example, a director might envision a contemporary adaptation of a classic play, which then dictates modern costumes, a minimalist set, and a fast-paced delivery style, ensuring a fresh interpretation for the audience. Ensuring cohesion and consistency. The director bears the crucial responsibility of ensuring all diverse elements of a production seamlessly integrate. This includes everything from the actors' performances to the technical aspects like lighting and sound. Consistency is vital for creating an immersive and believable experience for the audience, preventing jarring transitions or conflicting artistic choices. Achieving this cohesion often involves meticulous planning and constant communication across all departments. A director might use a production Bible, a comprehensive document detailing every aspect of the show, to maintain consistency. This ensures that, for example, a character's emotional arc is supported by their costume changes and the evolving lighting design throughout the play. Selecting genre, style, and form. The director's choice of genre, style, and form is intrinsically linked to their overall vision for the production. These foundational decisions dictate the aesthetic and emotional framework within which the play will be performed. For example, a director might decide to stage a classic tragedy with elements of absurdism, creating a unique and thought-provoking experience. These choices profoundly influence how the audience perceives and interprets the narrative. A director might opt for a naturalistic style to create a sense of realism, or a highly theatrical, non-naturalistic approach to emphasize symbolic meaning. The decision to present a play as a musical, a drama, or a comedy fundamentally alters its form and audience engagement. A successful overall production vision heavily relies on effective collaboration with various design teams, including costume, makeup, lighting, set, and sound designers. The director works closely A successful overall production vision heavily relies on effective collaboration with various design teams, including costume, makeup, lighting, set, and sound designers. The director works closely with these professionals from the very beginning of the process to ensure their creative ideas align perfectly with the overall production concept. This early involvement prevents costly changes later on. This collaborative process ensures that each design element not only functions practically, but also enhances the narrative and emotional impact of the play. For example, a director might challenge a set designer to create a multifunctional set that transforms seamlessly between scenes, requiring innovative solutions that serve the story. This synergy between artistic and technical elements is crucial for a polished final product. Understanding play themes and messages. Before rehearsals even commence, a critical task for the director is to develop a deep and nuanced understanding of the play's themes and underlying issues. This profound comprehension informs every decision made during the production process, ensuring the play's core messages are effectively communicated. Without this, the production risks becoming superficial or misinterpreting the playwright's intent. This in-depth analysis allows the director to identify how these themes will impact the production's overall tone, character development, and audience reception. For example, if a play explores themes of social injustice, the director might choose a stark, confrontational staging to provoke a strong emotional response from the audience, rather than a more subdued approach.
Shaping the production's core message. Beyond merely understanding the play's themes, the director must actively select and shape the specific message or messages the production will convey to the audience. This involves making deliberate choices about what aspects to emphasize, ensuring clarity and impact. A director might choose to highlight a single powerful message or weave together a range of different points, depending on their artistic intent.
This decision-making process is crucial for guiding audience interpretation and ensuring the production resonates effectively. For instance, in a play with multiple moral dilemmas, a director might choose to emphasize the consequences of one particular character's actions, making that the central ethical question for the audience to ponder. This focused approach can make a production more memorable and impactful. Pre-production. Initial key decisions. Many of the most significant decisions about a production, including its genre, style, and form, are made well in advance of rehearsals. This crucial pre-production phase lays the groundwork for the entire show, establishing its fundamental identity. These early choices are often the most impactful, as they set the tone and direction for all subsequent creative work. This extensive preparatory work is primarily led by the director, who dedicates considerable time to reading and rereading the play, often multiple times. This deep immersion ensures a thorough understanding of the text, allowing for informed decisions that align with the play's essence. For instance, a director might spend months researching the historical context of a period piece before making any design or casting decisions. In-depth script analysis. A director requires a detailed and in-depth understanding of the play, encompassing its themes, issues, and messages to effectively decide what to highlight for an audience. This deep dive goes beyond surface-level reading, delving into the nuances of character motivations and plot complexities. It's a process of intellectual and emotional engagement with the text. This comprehensive understanding is derived from the entire text, including explicit stage directions and even notes provided by the playwright. These often overlooked elements offer invaluable insights into the playwright's original intent and vision. For instance, a playwright's note about a character's internal monologue might prompt a director to use a specific lighting cue or sound effect to convey that inner world. Instructing and blocking performers. A key aspect of the director's role is instructing performers, which includes blocking, the precise positioning and movement of actors on stage. This is not merely about aesthetics, but about conveying narrative, character relationships, and emotional beats. Effective blocking can enhance storytelling, create visual interest, and guide the audience's focus. Beyond physical movement, directors also work with performers on how they deliver lines, develop their characters, and build relationships with other actors. This involves nuanced guidance on vocal tone, gesture, and emotional expression. For example, a director might ask an actor to deliver a line with a slight pause to emphasize a hidden meaning, or to maintain eye contact with another character to convey tension. Organizing effective rehearsals. It is the director's responsibility to ensure that rehearsals are well structured and that the rehearsal period is utilized effectively and efficiently. This involves careful scheduling, setting clear objectives for each session, and managing the time allocated to different scenes or aspects of the performance. A poorly organized rehearsal can lead to wasted time and a less polished final product. An effective rehearsal process allows actors to explore their characters, refine their performances, and build strong ensemble chemistry. Directors often employ various rehearsal techniques, such as improvisation or character exercises, to deepen understanding and foster creativity. For instance, a director might dedicate specific sessions solely to exploring a challenging emotional scene, ensuring actors have ample time to develop their performances.
Impact of directors' interpretations. Playwrights sometimes leave aspects of their scripts open to interpretation, offering directors significant flexibility in their creative choices. For example, in Dennis Kelly's play DNA, the character list and setting notes are intentionally vague, allowing for diverse interpretations. While character names and genders are provided, a note explicitly suggests these can be altered as desired, empowering the director to make impactful decisions.
This flexibility means directors must possess a profound understanding of the play to consider how any changes would affect the overall vision and audience perception. For instance, altering a character's gender could dramatically shift power dynamics or introduce new thematic layers, fundamentally changing how the audience understands the narrative. Such decisions require careful consideration of their potential impact on the play's core messages and emotional resonance.
Summary. Well done. You have completed the course. The Director, Creative Control and Production Responsibilities. You should now be familiar with establishing the production's vision and style, shaping the play's core themes and message, collaborating with design teams, pre-production decisions and script analysis, directing performers, and organizing rehearsals. Should you need to revisit any of the topics in this course, please use the menu at the bottom of the screen.